Don't really know what to call this thing, but I got myself a ball. I'm sure you've seen it in the photo. It's supposed to light up, do cool things, but it's got a lot of awful reviews and just as many good reviews. Link will be in the description below. I got it on Black Friday 2023. Looks like it's been crushed down right there. For $10 off, so I got it for $49. These things run about $50 for this size. Clear up to thousands of dollars. Most of them range between $100 and $400 though, that I see. Here's the remote. Feels like it's already been opened. Has a little pull off. We'll pull that off later. There's the options on it. They also said there isn't many options on the remote. Looks a lot more than my normal remote. They also said it was a cheap remote. I feel like this layer on here will actually stay on there. Some of these you get if you push in a spot. It feels like it isn't really glued down. This one feels pretty good. It takes a 2032 battery. Put that to the side. This is going to be USB. Has anti whatever static stuff to clean the ball. Let's just hope the ball looks nice when I get it out. It's nice, no name brand on it, so I could use it for my glasses too. Looks like it's going from USB, which is nice because I thought it was going to use more power than that, to a funky plug. Looks like, let's spray the fuse. That's if you're gonna Bluetooth it. My phone is on the charger right now. I didn't even know this was Bluetooth. So, yeah. Again, the link will be in the description below. EP Lite. Service card. How to set it up. For 50 bucks, I did not know this works with your phone. It's even better than what I thought. If you guys want to see that, pause it. Screenshot, zoom up, whatever you can do. Okay, so it does not come with a charge brick. It's wrapped in a box. I think I'm gonna have to grab it by the glass. Oh, it's super light. Is that all that's in the box? All that's in the box. That thing is way lighter than what I thought it would be. So we're gonna have to get a charge brick to get this set up. Luckily I have one right over here somewhere. Oh geez, that's the first one I find. Really? So the first charge brick I find is a multi one. I don't even know how much output this is. This is output 4.8 amps. So it should work on this. So my first look at this is pretty cool because it's got covering on everything. A lot of people complained about that. I'm going to take two of the coverings off during this video. Has a little snail tail coming out. That's nice. It doesn't plug into the unit. That way, like if you plug it in, it isn't like pushing on the board or it pop off. So that means you could hang it upside down. Basically do anything with it. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Plug this into here. So we're getting plenty of amperage through this plug. Okay, we're gonna have to get the remote. Oh, it's going. We don't even have to take them things off. So that was just, oh, this blinks red when it's working. On. Woo, woo. There, it's going to my voice. Hello, are you changing? Ooh, hello. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so the music is in that. Let's see what colors it's got. Red. Hey Google, shut off my lights. We got red, green, blue, green, bluish, purple, bluish, red, green. Okay. You can make it brighter. Whoa, okay, that wasn't what I thought it was. That's maxed out brightness. Then we can take it all the way down. It's kind of nice it doesn't reset. It comes clear down to the end, because you really don't know unless there's something on the app. What's this? RGB. So far we've done all the top ones except color and auto. Actually, we've been through all the color. Let's see what auto does. It's probably just going to do its own thing. Hopefully you guys got a good view of this. I'm going to go ahead and rip off the top one to see if the view is any different. You guys can see if it's different there. Definitely looks different through the camera. To me, it actually doesn't look any different. They are not glass. They're plexiglass. I'm sure glass would look better, but it still looks really good. So to get the reflectiveness, I think they put a tint on the inside of the glass, so it reflects 100 different ways. Okay, so that's auto, so it's going to go through everything. Looks like each time you press auto, it resets back to the same default. Okay, we got the music. What's CT stand for? CT minus and CT plus. Don't know what that did. Let me look at the manual real quick just because I'm on top of it. White light and white light enhancement. That's what that means? Why is it CT? Okay, so here's music again. Okay, I think we gotta go to colors. Music. Hello? Okay, now music ain't even working. It's not really wanting to do. That's a preset button. It just does what? Why is it? That is not the button I hit. Hello? That's really strange. So when you go too bright, it changes the color. So I hit the music button this time, and it doesn't do anything. Neither of the buttons do anything. What's weird is when I hit like color. No, I put like number 1 right here. Hello? Now it's going to my voice for some reason. But I push. I wonder what that is. Well, that's called rhythm. Hello? Ooh. Hello? Ooh, that one's cool. Can you guys see that flickering everywhere? Ooh. That one may be my favorite. That's number 3. And then you got a 1 hour timer, 2 hour. Okay, that's the coolest thing ever right there. And mode. Let's see what modes we got. Also, there's people complaining that the lights were not glued in. I'm going to take a look after this, after I go through a few of these. That one's cool. And with its custom ones, you can also turn it down. That one right there looks really cool all the way down. I'm sure this looks so much better in person than... I definitely feel like it was priced right on sale. If it was real glass, I would say it's worth a lot more. But it's not. It's so light, it just doesn't feel, really feels like about 30-35 bucks. I'm still gonna keep it for sure though. You guys will see it in my streams. So even when you get to the end of the modes, it flashes. See, it just keeps restarting because I'm at the end of the modes. And then I go back the other way. Let's see if it goes further. Nope. So it only has so many modes, and I guess I Bluetooth it, but it didn't say there was an app. I'm gonna have to do that later and show you guys. So let's go white. That is not very white. They say that's white. Okay, and then I'm gonna inspect. I'm sure it bounced enough in shipping. I don't know if you guys can see that, but clear on the other side, there is a piece that is fine. I can deal with it. I don't think it's coming off. It looks like it's coming off, but I think it was just put in there weird. And it'll stay where it's at right now because it's a continuous loop. Yeah, I like it. You guys see in there? Oh, that looks stinking cool. Let's put on a different mode and see what it looks like. What do you guys think of that? It's slipping out of my hands. Let's turn it down a little bit. Okay, that looks freaking cool. It's like them old screensavers back in the day. That's weird. It won't go through different... Oh, I'm up all the way on the modes. Well, hopefully, I'm going to have some fun with this. Hopefully that helped you guys out. Again, the link will be in the description below. Check it out. It was only $10 off on Black Friday. But I don't think it's worth full price. This one luckily came in good condition. There's a lot of people that have the same problem of what I was pointing out and looking for. But it turned out good. Perfect. Thanks for watching.